Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. May Allah bless us with success in this world and the world hereafter. Today our topic is letter writing skill. I want to tell you before teaching you the letter writing skill about the kinds of letters. There are two main kinds of letters. First one is called the formal letters. Commercial or business letters are included in the formal letters. In the same way, official letters also. Applications are included in the official letters. These letters are written to the point. We cannot express our sentiments in these kinds of letters. And official letters, we have already learnt that applications are included in this kind of letter. It means applications are the part of letters. Now, in formal letters, private letters, and the personal letters are included in the informal letters. These kinds of letters are written to these kinds of letters are written to the relatives or dear friends, and you can express your feelings, your sentiments in these kinds of letters, and you can write maximum things in these kinds of letters. These letters are not written to the point, to the point, you can say. Okay, now this is the information about the kinds of letter writing. Now I'm to teach you about the components of letter writing, or you can say the elements of the letter writing. Whenever we need to take tea, we use some components or elements, and in other words, you can say the ingredients are used to make tea. Just like we require milk, sugar, water, and you can say the tea leaves also to make the tea. In the same way, some important components or elements are required to write a letter. Just like these kinds of components or elements are written there on the paper. Just like examination hall is written in this way. Whenever we write to examination, we are to write E in capital of examination. In the same way, H we are to write in capital, and after this we are to put the comma there, which is the part of the punctuation sign. Okay, and after that the city A, B, C in this way in capitalization. Now these two things are called the sender's address. Okay, after that March 30 comma 2020, this is called the date, which is also the part of the letter writing, you can say the component of the letter writing. Now you are to write the salutation, my dear father, in this way. Just like you are going to write the letter to your father, okay, then you are to write there my dear father, which is called the salutation. And you are to write M in capital of my, and D in small letter of dear, and F in capital letter of father. Okay, and after that you are to write the paragraph according to the topic, which is called the body of letter. And it is very important, you can say the component or element for writing, for letter writing. Okay, and after that, after writing the body of letter, which is also called the paragraph according to the topic, now your loving son, which is called the complimentary closing, and XYZ, which is called the subscription. Okay, now these are the very important components or elements for writing a letter. Now more important things which I want to share with you, that if you write a body of letter not according to the topic, I mean, if you don't write the body of the letter according to the topic, then no mark will be awarded you. In the same way, if you write the body of letter according to the topic, and if you don't write the other components of letter writing, in the you can say no mark will be awarded you. Okay, And sometimes you make the mistake, just like you write yours and you put the apostrophe there. It is the wrong way to put the apostrophe there. You have to write in this way: yours affectionately, obediently. We often use yours at that time whenever we use these kinds of words which have ly. Okay, actually it's called the personal possessive pronoun. Do you know about the cases of pronoun? Personal pronoun has three kind of cases, just like the subjective or nominative case, possessive case, and objective case. In the possessive case, we have studied about the personal possessive pronoun. Okay, then it means we have to write in this sense, and you can say in this way. There's no need to write in this way. It is the totally wrong way to write it. Okay, and in the same way, if you want to write the salutation in two words, just like my father, then you have to write in this way: my and father. Okay, and after that you have to put the comma there. Okay,